Thank you for choosing the Genie commercial line for your commercial operator needs. In this video, we will walk you through the initial setup programming for any standard or heavy-duty commercial operator. This includes setting the close direction, braking rate, open and close limits, and limit overrun. First, let's get familiar with the circuit board configuration. Beside the LCD display, you will notice the calibration run key, which will be used to toggle between calibration or programming mode and run mode. Above that is the backlight key for illuminating the display in low light environments. Next are the up and down scroll keys. We will use these to scroll through menu options. Above those is the set clear key for accepting entries. Finally, above the LCD display are the open, close, and stop keys, which allow us to operate the door without having to go back and forth to the wall station at each step. Now let's get started. The first step will be to set the operator close direction. The direction of the motor rotation depends on mounting position and how the main input power is wired on three-phase units. This setting is used to set the motor's close direction. First, manually set the door to the half-open position. Press the calibration run key. On a brand new unit being powered for the first time, the unit will automatically be in calibration mode. The display will read Set Close Direction. Press the Set Clear key. The display will read Press the close key briefly to test. Press the close key for 3 to 5 seconds. The display will read, Did door close? If the door moved in a closed direction, scroll to Yes, and then press the Set Clear key. If the door moved in the open direction, scroll to No, and then press the Set Clear key. The display will read, Now setting the motor direction. The display will automatically advance to Up Limit Clear once the motor direction is set. Anytime the motor direction is reset, the open and close limits will automatically clear and need reset. Press the calibration run key to return to run mode. Next, we will set the braking rate. This will affect the door's stopping position and needs to be set before the limits are set. If the operator is in run mode, press the calibration run key to enter the calibration mode. Otherwise, skip to the next step. Press the scroll down key until the display shows the braking rate at 0. Press the Set Clear key to adjust the braking range from 0 to 9. This is a trial and error adjustment depending on the application. 0 is the maximum braking rate and 9 is the minimum. Pick a value and operate the door. Adjust as necessary. Press either scroll key to lock in the selected braking rate. Press the calibration run key to return to run mode. Now let's program the open-close limits. If the operator is in run mode, press the calibration run key to enter the calibration mode. Otherwise, skip to the next step. Press the scroll down key until the display shows Up Limit Clear. Raise the door using the open key until you reach the desired height. Press the Set Clear key to lock in the up position setting. Now press the scroll down key until the display shows Down Limit Clear. Lower the door using the open and close keys until the door is 2 inches above the desired close position. Press the Set Clear key to lock in the down position setting. Please note, the recommended set point for the down limit is normally around 2 inches off the floor. This final distance will be covered by the limit overrun function to establish a more accurate seal. Now set the limit overrun. This function is used to ensure a good seal at the bottom of the door. Please remember that the limit override function will override external reversing devices, including photocells and sensing or reversing edges. Therefore, any externally connected devices will be disabled during that portion of the door travel, which is controlled by the limit override function. Press the scroll down key until the display shows Limit Overrun 0. Press the Set Clear key to change the value from 0 to 9. 0 will turn off the overrun function and stop the door at the previously set down limit. 9 is the maximum distance the door will travel past the limit. Select the value that allows your commercial door to seal properly. Press either scroll key to lock in the selected braking rate. Press the calibration run key to return to run mode. We hope you have found this video helpful in the setup of your Genie commercial operator. If you have any